Running a successful coffee shop is never just about brewing the perfect espresso. The real heartbeat of your business is your staff. But managing them can be a nightmare. As a cafe owner, you waste countless hours teaching every new barista how to behave, how to clean, and how to serve. And the moment you finish training them, they quit. And you have to start the entire painful process all over again. This constant cycle of hiring and training destroys your energy and stops your business from expanding. But what if you could automate your entire staff training system using artificial intelligence? Imagine a world where a new worker joins your cafe and a digital AI manager trains them perfectly without you saying a word. In this video, we will show you the exact step-by-step framework to build an automated AI training system for your coffee shop. The first step to escaping this stressful training loop is creating a central digital training hub. Instead of manually shouting instructions every day, you must document every single task in your cafe once and for all. Use ChatGPT or Gemini to instantly write your standard operating procedures. From brewing recipes to customer service scripts, just type into the AI, write a step-by-step cleaning checklist for a coffee shop closer, and it will generate a professional guide in seconds. Next, use your smartphone to record short, simple 30-second videos of how to perform these tasks properly. Show them exactly how much milk to pour, how to clean the steam wand, and where to put the keys at night. Upload all these AI-generated texts and short videos into a free, organized platform like Notion or Google Drive. Congratulations! You have just built your cafe's first digital training library that never sleeps and never forgets a detail. Now, creating a digital library is only half the battle. The real magic happens when you automate how your staff accesses it. Instead of sitting with a new hire for days, you can link your training hub to a single QR code. Print this QR code and paste it directly on the espresso machine, near the cleaning supplies, and at the cash register. When a new barista forgets how to steam milk or clean the grinder, they don't need to call you or disturb other workers. They simply pull out their phone, scan the QR code on that machine, and watch the exact 30-second tutorial instantly. You can also use simple WhatsApp automation to send a daily training video linked to new hires during their first week automatically. This style of learning completely removes the human error from your training process and builds perfect consistency. Your baristas will feel more confident, and your customers will get the exact same high-quality taste every single day. The final step to complete your automated training system is verification. How do you know if you're new? Barista actually scan the QR code and learn the recipe? Simple. You can use free tools like Google Forms or Typeform to create a quick, automated 5-question quiz. Ask Gemini or ChatGPT to write the quiz questions based on your training documents in less than 10 seconds. Before a new worker starts their first official shift, they must pass this digital quiz with a score of 100%. If they fail, the system automatically tells them which video to rewatch, keeping you completely out of the loop. By using this AI framework, you save thousands of dollars, eliminate training stress, and build a self-running business. Thank you for watching Cafe Growth Automation. If you want to scale your coffee shop business, subscribe right now. Leave a comment below if you want our free AI prompt templates, and we will see you in the next video.